rub me.
Let's go back downstairs, Uncle John.
Okay.
How about we bring all the babies downstairs? Let's bring all the babies.
Okay.
I gotcha. You want to see? Oh, it's all blurry.
Can you share with Kinley?
Can you smile?
Can you share with Kinley the remote? Can you share with Kinley the remote? No?
Oh, it's not working, but it's such a cool picture.
Kinley, just stand up and go walk and get it. Can you share him?
Babies downstairs.
You want to?
Yeah. Bring all the babies downstairs.
Baby belugas, do you want to go downstairs? Baby belugas.
Bonk. Uh-oh.
No.
Oh no.
It's okay, it goes back together. But it's probably not a baby toy, huh?
No.
Just a Kinley toy.
Put that somewhere else.
We'll put it away. We'll put it away. We'll put some toddler tunes on.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
I don't know if she likes that. Her head goes back a little bit.
Come back here, you.
Why is this not?
Uncle John on cat.
Whoa! Crash. Whoa.
I got it. Big bug.
I hope. It's so
Big
terrific.
bug.
Oh,
Hey, that's not very nice. You hit her face. You didn't bonk her in the head.
Excuse me.
excuse
This
me.
song is on Snow White. This song is on Snow White.
Hi, Uncle Scott.
Hi, Uncle John John.
Hey, let's go.
Hi, Kinley.
Hi ho, hi ho.